Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 MIDI controllers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best MIDI controllers. The 5th product on our list is the AKAI Professional MPD-218. As a music producer, using the AKAI Professional MPD-218 MIDI controller will inspire you to make your own music beats. Its sleek black look and neatly arranged knobs and pads are nicely shaped to make you comfortable while using it. The MPD-218 pads light up with a red light when they get turned on, thereby providing you with backlights. When you apply pressure to the pads, it responds at the slightest and fastest touch, even though they are a little hard, tall, and chunky. The MPD-218 comes with 16 preset slots and 6 endless encoders. Each preset contains 3 banks for all 6 knobs. This means you can store 3 encoder settings and 3 pad layouts per preset. This plug-and-play MIDI controller doesn't need to be tweaked at all in terms of its pad. However, you have to connect it to your PC and program the Express Pads finger drumming layout. You do not have to hit the pads very hard to play a high-velocity note. Instead, you can control your different playing techniques and choose any velocity you want to play in. The AKAI Professional MPD-218 comes with a free software package, a valuable tool for making and producing beats. Ableton Live Lite is the production software shipped together with the MPD-218 when you buy the controller. Its pros are: the AKAI Professional MPD-218 has a great velocity range. It is a great portable beat-making tool, and it offers great value for money. However, the cons are: it does not have an LCD, and it is powered only through USB. If you are looking for a MIDI controller to tap out beats or finger drum like all the famous producers out there, you should get the AKAI MPD-218 controller. Up next in the 4th place is the Novation Launch Control XL MK2. This is the ultimate controller that can seamlessly integrate with Ableton Live. It has 24 knobs and 16 buttons with 8 faders that can work smoothly with this software. Launch Control XL gives you complete control over Ableton Live's instruments, session view, effect, and mixer. You can now spend less time looking at your screen because you can use hands-on control that come with Ableton Live. All the 24 knobs and 16 buttons are neatly arranged in rows, making it easier for you to integrate and use the controller with Ableton's Live Mixer. Its pads are illuminated with multicolored LEDs that help you distinguish between EQs, sends, or any other device. You can also easily create and assign your own control layouts with this controller. What is even more impressive is you can change or customize the knobs with your own colors and switch between the Live's built-in functionality and your own mappings. This MIDI controller is touch, portable, and slim. It is designed to be carried around effortlessly. The Launch Control XL Ableton Live controller is fully powered using a USB bus. This plug-and-play device can be plugged into an iOS, Windows, or Mac device without any hassle. Its compatibility with these operating systems makes it easier for you to control the music software from your device. Its pros are: it allows you to control your mixer using your virtual instrument. Its installation is simple and straightforward, and it can be mapped out to any DAW. However, the cons are: you cannot modify the knobs when in user mode, and it does not have a crossfader. Crafting the perfect mix has been made easier with Novation Launch Control XL MK2. This device allows you to create and own your own control layouts effortlessly. Still haven't found the MIDI controller that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Elgato Stream Deck. We bring something totally different and unique from the other MIDI controllers we have reviewed so far. Elgato Stream Deck is the first YouTube video and Twitch streaming device used as a video mixer. This piece of hardware is something different and spectacular altogether. It is of a professional grade and also suitable for hobbyists and creatives. Stream Deck is used as video switchers during multi-camera broadcasts like live broadcast and sporting events. It easily allows you to switch between multiple camera feeds and different camera angles. The Stream Deck buttons are 15 altogether. They are arranged in 3 rows of 5. Each button is a miniature OLED display, making the buttons aesthetically pleasing. If you want to start streaming while mixing a beat, all you need to do is program a button to launch the Open Broadcaster software. This way, you can stream the beat you're mixing or broadcast anything to your online audience. Easy to set up and void of all hassle, Elgato Stream Deck is an incredible, powerful switcher that is easy to configure and allows you to customize any button of your choice. However, its USB cable is a little delicate and not detachable. It looks as though it can break in an instant. But despite that, the USB cable makes it easy for you to use this plug-and-play device. Its pros are: it's a multi-purpose device. It allows you to store as many folder or actions as you want. And it supports direct integrations with software like OBS, Twitch, and many more. However, the USB cable is flimsy. If you are looking for a multifunctional device that can be used professionally and personally, the Elgato Stream Deck is just what you need for your streaming and mixing purposes. The second product on our list is the Maschine MK3 drum controller. Bringing something distinct and different to the Maschine flagship, the MK3 is a total remake and redesign of the MK2. Its build quality is all metal with firm knobs and sensitive buttons. Weighing 4.85 pounds, this device is a classy looking unit with chunky looking buttons. The buttons have LED backlit and a cutout lettering that is solid black. This device is USB powered and comes with an audio interface that is wired for sound. So, if you are a creative beat maker, the Maschine MK3 drum controller is the perfect groove box for you. Its Smart Strip button is an innovative feature that is horizontally positioned, which allows you to discover new ways to bend sounds, play, and perform special effects. MK3 Drum features 2 high-res color screens that allow you to mix beats and make music without having to look at the screen of your PC. This feature is a huge step up from what other Maschine models offer. Once you are in the drum mode, you can tap the 16 ultra-responsive pads lightly to produce any beat of your choice. Its pros are: it has an aesthetically pleasing design. Its intuitive interface is built for speed and is perfect for experienced users. And it is versatile. However, the installation of the device software can be problematic. If you are an experienced musician looking for an all-in-one music-making drum machine, then the Maschine MK3 drum controller is most likely the best option for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top MIDI controller is the Ableton Push 2. Ableton Push 2 is a 64-pad hybrid instrument that is designed to work with any DAW. It also uses a hands-on and tactile way to interact with live. Setting up the Ableton Push 2 is straightforward. All you need to do is plug in the power cables and USB cable. Once you are done, fire up the Live 9 and you are set. Moreover, this device is compatible with PC and Mac systems. Push 2's design is sleek, slim, and durable. We are impressed with its 11 rotary knobs, which are placed at the top of the device. Its 64 pads have backlights and are velocity sensitive and extremely responsive. The backlights make the controller look dynamic and exciting to use. You can auto-map the plugin parameters of your controller's encoders and knobs. Push 2 works smoothly and properly with third-party plugins. Other unique features of the Ableton Push 2 include a looping station, a touch strip, a color display, and lots more. This device is excellent for composing, recording, and performing. With Push 2, you have complete control over your pads. You can customize the beats, sequences, chords, and notes. You can also add dynamics to your songs. Its pros are: it has a touch strip that allows you to bend pitches and scroll through menus. Its software is intuitive and easy to understand, and it has a color display. However, it could be more compact. Ableton Push 2 does everything from recording over old beats to creating new beats. This device is great for professionals who want to create and tweak your beats more enjoyably. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.